beautiful people, it's your girl into Bunny and welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my subbies. Thank you so much guys for joining the family. I see Hori like almost every week we have like new people joining us. Thank you so much to everyone who is subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it so much, guys. Thank you so much, Shamum. Yo, thank you guys. And to my new subbies, hope you guys will love it here. I will make sure that I deliver, top content for you guys. And to my existing subbies, I got mega love for you guys. Thank you so much. So today basically it's 19th of April, so tomorrow I am graduating. So I have been shooting content, this vlog. I started this vlog on Saturday. Yeah, this past Saturday I started this vlog on this Saturday, but yeah, it's it's a mess lately. I forget to like do intros for my vlogs, so hence I'm just gonna show you guys what I have been up to, like from Saturday up until today. So basically on Saturday what I did, I'm gonna share those pic videos with you guys. So Saturday what I did, I went shopping to like look for my graduation outfit. Then I also went to do my nails. I did my nails. Here they are. Then and what I did, yeah, Saturday, that's what I did.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going.
Then on Sunday I went to church. Then after church, my friend and we went to Main Lane. Here's the footage for you guys when we went to do shopping. You will also see the outfit I bought for the graduation. So here it is, guys. Guys, we at Mainland Mall with my friend. So Diaparo tsa graduation. Why is it dark?
It's very dark.
It's very dark, Baba. This is not us. We are not this dark. No. Let me wipe it. How? What?
Much better.
I don't know. Yes, it's dark. I think it's the lighting in here.
But it's totally so determined, right? Color,
The dress, yes, yeah. What I'm gonna be wearing. Okay, this maybe we are trying to mix that after. Let's go. Yeah, that's for Sheeny. Nice, yo. Yes.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson friend. No. Yeah, guys.
Open.
We're going to try on this. This is nice, hey? This is white. And how much is it?
Yes, remember, girl. Okay. Wow. Check this out. Now this is very nice.
This is nice.
Very.
But the dress is like, I feel like it's short, man. I don't know.
It's not that short.
No, I like this.
This is very nice. Okay. Can you please remove the shoes?
Oh. No, I like this.
How about you, me? These ones. Yeah, I'm Sukuma Mgamba born. Today you're that type.
This is nice, friend. Then even Lana, if I can wear
Something
black,
yeah,
then
pin it.
pin in a Lana. Okay, even if I pin it doesn't have to show. I like this more.
Yeah.
I like this more.
And I feel you comfortable.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like this more, Shamag. No, we are going with this one. It's nice, Mara.
Very.
When would you wear it?
I would. Okay, if I had your body, I would.
Listen to this. Oh, this is nice, different.
Very nice. It suits you very well. But I think you must just go.
Yeah, people indoor lay pattern.
Yeah,
It's not us. We don't play like that. But home. Uyahleka sifuna iseyili phela.
It's like that.
Uyahleka gele.
She saw that coat. It's on sale.
I think yours is left. Yeah, I had to knock Chipani. Yeah. Let's see if it's yeah.
Khona ka delay ka. Chula, enjoy.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your love. Your love. I can't breathe without you. I can't breathe without you. I can't breathe without you. I can't breathe
don't know where we have parked our cars.
Just keep on walking.
We'll just keep on walking up until we get there. Like, you see, Lama Molowe, no, Amamkulu. I think we should go down there. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. Guys! Wow! Yo! Girl! Yes, Abutu Arakapa, guys. We got lost. Oh, how far is it, my brother? Yeah? How far is it?
Yes, look, 6 minutes.
Oh, 6 minutes walking.
Yeah, okay.
Mugabe.
Ako mo nagandang ka pa tayo siya.
Ukasithole. Dear friends, bye, my love. Yo. So let me show you guys what I bought. Let me show you guys what I bought. So these are the stuff that I bought for my graduation, guys. I bought this shoes, this plum shoes. Here are the shoes, guys. That's plum. Yo, I like this detail here. I bought them for the graduation, guys. It's a size 4. It's a size 4, so they were on sale for a kasi. They were 499. From 599 to 499, so yeah, they were 500 rand. Then I bought this dress that I'm no longer happy with, so I doubt if I will wear it tomorrow on my graduation. You know, yeah, like I only fitted this dress that day, then ever since I never wore it again. So today I was like, okay, so I bought this dress. It's gold. No, I bought it. Then I bought some accessories from Lovisa. I got this hat neck piece. It was on sale for 30 rand. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I bought, like, you were buying like this accessories for like I think 4 for 200 rand. So I bought this earrings. They are what color is this? I bought those earrings, then I got this ones. Yeah, I like this kind of earrings, guys. Yeah, I'm pink lady, so then I got myself these ones. Then I got this neck piece. This one is it's rose gold. I wanted the color like it just, yeah. Then I got this rose gold neck piece. So I think it will go very well with these earrings. So yeah, I'm gonna put this to tomorrow. Oh my graduation. Oh, yeah. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear that dress. I feel like the color is one thing and it's hot and what. Because I think on Sunday when I went shopping, it was a bit chilly. Like, so in my head, I was like, oh, you need something that's gonna be like a bit warmish. But yeah, no. So yeah, guys, that's the shopping I did. Then yeah, I did some shopping for the kids as well, but I'm not gonna show you that because it's just a lot. Like, I just bought like a lot of things for these little ones. I went to Mr. Price, I went to Woolworths, I went to Express to buy for them. So it's just a lot. It's not about them today, it's about me. So yeah, guys, so check out my video from when they were busy installing my hair. So that lady as well, like, yo, she, like, oh, my friend seems she just gave me a bargain. So she's also selling hair as well. So I bought, I had that long wig that I did, like, I had it since my wedding. So the closure was like old. So I asked her if maybe she can, because she's also selling hair, if she can like undo the whole wig and put in a new closure, a new frontal closure, full frontal closure. Then yeah, she must just do everything. So for everything, like, she charged me 1.5 fee, but because it's me, yeah, she charged me 1.5 for everything. So yeah, because she gave me a new closure, she undid the hair and do it again, then put on the treatment, so installation, like everything, so that 1.5 was not bad. And yeah, here's the video when I went there, guys. Okay, guys, I am at it's not really a salon. It's a salon, but it's a salon. Yeah, it seems hair pluck. Yeah, it seems hair pluck. She's the one who did this, and she's also selling Brazilian hair only. She also do the hair installation, wig, what custom, everything, guys. Like, look what she did with my, okay, let me explain what's happening here. This is my old wig that I normally put. So I asked her to like treat it, wash it, style it, and she put in a new closure. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Gele. Yo, this is nice. And yo, yeah, no, I will give you all the details, like where you can find her, everything. So now we're gonna do my installation. Now we do my installation. This is the lady, guys. Oh my god. No, it's not a problem. So yeah, let's get on with it, girl. Guys, Mugel did the things here. Oh, let's see how I look after this. Oh my god. Yeah, the graduation never told. Congratulations. See my nails. Can I show you guys one thing? I did these nails on Saturday. Today it's Wednesday. On Monday, like, the nail just broke. I was planning to go there, like, to have it fixed, but I was like, no, I am busy in 17, so I just didn't have time. So I'll just go with a broken nail. Hey, here's my hairstylist, guys. Check her out. It seems hair black, ne? Seems hair black.
Yes, girl.
No, I will put your Instagram details, your everything, so that they contact you.
Yes.
I'm not sure if I should do the middle parting or the side parting. Which one do you guys think? It's good. My hairdresser here says this one. Yeah. Ne? Hey guys, I am done with my hair. Look at it. Pardon, I am so happy. I look so pretty. Yo, it is so nice but home. Pardon Lona, nampana ke matla jang mara. La yo. O se ono a graduate ka sane Lona. Yo, I am so happy. I love this side more. Oh my god. So yeah guys, that will be the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Which I will try next time to do a proper intro on my vlogs, because lately I'm just like all over the place. But hope you guys enjoyed, and catch up with you guys on my graduation day, which is like tomorrow, the 20th. So hope you guys enjoyed this massive vlog of mine, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.